Hi everyone, I'm Rachel from Ellii, and this video is for students. I'll be showing you how to edit your profile. This is for if you need to change your name, edit your username, add an email, change your password, or edit your email notifications. So let's get started. First, go to ellii.com/students and click Login. Enter your username and your password and click Login. Once you have logged in, click the arrow next to your name and click My Profile. From your profile page, click Edit Profile at the bottom to change any of your personal information. You can change your first and last name, your username, or add an email address. And you can also change the country you live in, as well as your avatar. Once all of your information has been changed, click Save at the bottom. From your profile page, you can also change your password by clicking Change Password at the bottom. Enter your current password and then type your new password in twice. Your password must be at least 8 characters long. Once that is all done, click Save at the bottom. From your profile page, you can also manage the email notifications you receive with the boxes on the left. If you would like to receive all email notifications, keep all these boxes checked. If you'd like to receive only emails about assignments and feedback, you can check off the general email notifications. Lastly, you can connect your Google account to your Ellii account if you prefer to log in with Gmail instead. Click Connect Google Account and follow the prompts to connect your Google account to Ellii. That's it for this video on how to edit your profile. If you have any questions, please let us know. Happy learning!
Ellii.